The new medical college at Chikkaballapur was inaugurated by Karnataka Health Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar on Friday, July 8th. Incidentally, Chikkaballapur also happens to be the home constituency of Minister Sudhakar. Speaking at the inauguration, he remembered an incident about how his mother died due to unavailability of advanced health care in the district. Minister Sudhakar became emotional and stated, "When I was young, my mother suddenly became ill and the only nearest hospital was at Bengaluru, 1.5 hours away. Unfortunately, I lost her. From that day, I was dreaming of having a medical college in my hometown, Chikkaballapur, and finally, today is a dream come true for me." He also thanked former Karnataka CM B.S. Yediyurappa for his efforts in sanctioning the college and the current CM Basavaraj Bommai for his continuous support to ensure timely completion of the project. The actual building of the college is nearly completed, but the classes commenced from Friday for MBBS, nursing, and other allied courses at a temporary building.